So today I will show you around 18 use cases for the new Google AI Nano Banana. And honestly, I basically canceled my Photoshop subscription because I don't need it anymore. So the first use case is really simple. You can change the clothes of yourself with using Google Nano Banana. So for example, you can find some clothing that you like. Just download the image, upload your image, and here it is. You're basically changing the outfits of yourself. And the best part is that body type is the same, so you can basically understand if you like it or not. So the first use case is already incredible. Second one, you can basically restore old pictures, old images of your grandparents or some people in your family. And here you can see this is the first image. Then the colorized image looks insane. And as the next one is basically a video. And if you want to make videos for free, and this is one of the best models, here you can see the video. I basically recreated it as well. I wrote the prompt really simple, but this is free. As you can see here, here are many videos of me, which are incredible and highly realistic. So that's that. This tool will be in the description as well. Every day for checking in, you will basically get 50 free credits, and one video takes 0 credits, but you can speed up and use 10 credits for this video. So that's that. Next use case for Google Nano Banana is this. You can basically create 3D images, 3D models of, for example, of this map or anything you want. So for example, there are some book with a map and you want a 3D version, you can just ask Nano Banana. And here is the full prompt. Basically, here you can read it and copy and paste. So the next use case is here. So this guy basically took an image of his house and he added this kitchen. So great use case. You can basically check how specific new interiors or new stuff that you want to add to your house, to your home looks before actually doing it. So here basically he added a kitchen outside, which looks interesting. So another great use case. The next thing is this guy basically created a 1990s VHS action movie cover. And here you basically can see the whole prompt. Just copy and paste it if you want to make a similar poster of yourself or of your family members or friends. So next use case is really great. Here you can see remove the people. So he uploaded this image of people at the beach or whatever that is. And here you can see it basically did the job 99% correct. Here you can see few people. And after that, for example, if the image is not as great as you wish it to be, you can download this and remove the people right here as well. And sometimes you have to try multiple times for the Google Nano Banana to actually do the perfect job. So feel free, because this is really cheap. I think it costs free or there are like 2 cents per image. So really, really cheap. So next one is basically this guy took an image of a, this is a moose. So the picture is really low quality. There is blur and as you can see here, a lot of noise, and basically the Nano Banana helped basically make the image more clear. So another great use case. Next is basically you can recreate memes. As you can see here, the popular meme is recreated in many different ways. Next use case is really great for basically artists. Here is the basically image uploaded, and you can basically ask Nano Gemini to create different variations of different poses, as you can see here, and you can create them in instant. You don't have to draw basically again and again. So really, really great. So and basically someone created a animation of the poses that she's in. So another great use case. Next one is you can basically edit your YouTube thumbnails if you are a creator or whatever thumbnails you have. Next use case, you can turn your image into a Nike ad or Adidas ad, which is really simple. Here you can see the prompt, create a Nike ad with this image with text copy. So it basically created the text as well. And the text is really great. Unleash your inner storm. So really nice. The next use case is you can basically upload an image and ask, change the perspective to a high angle looking down from above as if the ceiling, from the ceiling corner. So here you can see the image has a different angle and everything is here. Here you can see the toaster, the fridge, the table, four people. So it basically does a really great job, and the style of the image is the same, vintage. So really great. Another tool is you can change the background, and this looks realistic. I know there are many tools that can change the background, but the backgrounds look really bad. And this looks actually awesome. Next use case is, for example, you have the sketch of a specific pose. Then you add the person, for example, yourself or whoever, and ask for Nano Banana to recreate the image in the same pose as the sketch, as you can see here. So another great idea. And the last one is, for example, you find an image or find a building on a Google Maps. And here is the prompt, take this location and make the landmark an isometric image, building only in the style of the game theme park. So here basically is the Liverpool soccer stadium, and it recreated it as a 3D model, isometric, and as a game theme park. Here you can see people. So this looks like a basically arcade game. So that's basically it. There are around 18 use cases that I just shown. There are, I mean, obviously hundreds of use cases that you can find online, but these were the most incredible ones that I found. So if you enjoyed this video and if you found this useful, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, get a notification instantly, and you don't miss out on AI news, AI tools, AI alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.